something a little different today, a little special. I've been promising this for a long time. I gotta do this video. My buddy Blane spent a bunch of time rebuilding the molding machine for me, and what happened was he's kind of a little hesitant in doing any kind of a video on it or not. I talked him into it, he did it, so we gotta get this on. It's pretty cool video. Enjoy. We're just gonna put it to music, and you get to see Blane do his magic. He did a phenomenal job. Enjoy.